Welcome to Session 1, Number Sense and Basic Operations. In this lesson, we will build the math foundation you need for GED mathematical reasoning, number types, absolute value, fractions, decimals, percents, and order of operations. About 1/5 of GED mathematical reasoning depends on number sense. That means many questions are not about a fancy trick. They are about reading a problem carefully, choosing the correct operation, and avoiding sign or fraction mistakes. Let us start with the number system. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Whole numbers add 0. Integers include negatives. Rational numbers can be written as a fraction. Irrational numbers, like square root of 2, cannot be written as a simple fraction. Absolute value means distance from 0 on the number line. Distance is never negative. So the absolute value of negative 12 is 12, the absolute value of 5 is 5, and the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. A fraction should usually be simplified before you choose an answer. To simplify 12 over 18, find the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6, so divide the top and the bottom by 6. When you add or subtract fractions, the denominators must match. For 3/8 plus 5/12, the least common denominator is 24. Convert both fractions, add the numerators, and keep the denominator. For mixed numbers, do not multiply the whole number separately. Convert each mixed number into an improper fraction first, then multiply straight across and simplify the final answer. Decimals are fractions written another way. To convert 0.625, read the place value. It is 625 thousandths. So write 625 over 1,000, then simplify by 125. Percent means per hundred. To find 35% of 140, change the percent into a decimal, then multiply. 35% becomes 0.35, and 0.35 times 140 is 49. When an expression has more than one operation, follow PEMDAS. Parentheses come first, then exponents. Multiplication and division have equal priority, so move left to right. Addition and subtraction also move left to right. Now let us solve this expression carefully. First, do the parentheses. 8 minus 5 is 3. Next, do the exponent. 3 squared is 9. Then multiply and divide from left to right. Finally, add. Here is a GED-style percent problem. A practice book costs $24. The store gives 25% off. First, find the discount. 25% of 24 is $6. Then subtract the discount from the original price. The sale price is $18. Before you move on, remember these traps. Resolve absolute value bars first. Match denominators before adding fractions. Convert percents into decimals before multiplying. And in PEMDAS, multiplication and division are handled from left to right. Great work today. To read the full lesson notes, examples, and practice questions, visit the course page at www.bridge2exam.com. Review this session slowly, then practice until the steps feel natural.